Hi, this is the DOOGEE S61 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app because we should get the application from the Play Store. And enter the Muviz Edge because unfortunately we have no installed by default AOD option. That's why we should get this app. Just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds after that. Then just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and near green apple or near Muviz Edge application, click to the switcher. Then just go back and tap here to AOD section. After that you could select one from these available options, tap to apply, and let's lock the device. So now we could see that we just successfully activated the AOD option on our DOOGEE phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.